How to log out of Facebook Messenger app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can log out of the Facebook Messenger application. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to log out of Facebook Messenger app, the process is different for both iOS and Android device. Now, for iOS or Android, typically what you can do is when you open up the Messenger, you might have noticed that we do not have the option to go ahead and log out of our account. So even if I go to the settings icon, here you'll notice that I do not have the option to log out. So how do we log out? Well, the first thing you can do is if you don't want to sign into this account, you can just tap on the three lines. You can tap on this little gear icon, and then you can actually try to switch your account instead. So when you switch your account, you'll be logged out of your current account, you'll be logged into some other account, and just like that, you'll not receive messages for that specific account. This usually happens on both iOS and Android, right? And if you're on Android, I have a bonus tip for you, and that is that you can actually reset the Messenger application data. So for that, what you have to do is just long press on the Messenger app icon here. Once you long press on the Messenger app icon, tap on the little I button that you see. Once you tap on the I button, it will take you to the app information page right over here. And as you come to the app info page, scroll down to the bottom, go to storage, and then clear cache, and then clear the data. Clearing the cache and data will log you out of your account and then reset the Messenger application, as you could see right over here. It will ask me to log into my account back again. And that's all it takes to log out of Messenger app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.